Hi, welcome to Basecamp Holidays. Today we are discussing about the crafts of West Bengal which are about to extinct, that is terracotta work. Bishnupur is famous for terracotta work. Bishnupur is a town and a municipality in Bankura district in the state of West Bengal, India. It is famous for its terracotta temples and Bishnupuriya Rasila and the Baluchari sarees. Bishnupur was ruled under the Gupta period by local Hindu kings who paid tribute to Samudragupta following a long period of obscurity where the land obscurated between being a minor independent principality and a vassal state. The land is also called Mallavum after the Malla rulers of this place. The Malla rulers were and built famous terracotta temples during the 17th and 18th century at this place. The terracotta temples here are the best specimen of the classical style of Vishnupur architecture. The legends of Bipodtarini Devi are associated with the Malla kings of Vishnupur. Bishnupur, the distance from Calcutta is 132 km. Now the headquarters of the subdivision of the same name in Bankura district is a seat of crafts and culture. For almost 1,000 years, it was the capital of the Malla kings of Mallavum, of which Bankura was a part, till their power waned during the times when Mughal Empire weakened under the last monarch of the dynasty. The patronage of Malla king Veer Hamveer and his successor Raja Raghunath Singh Deva and Bir Singh Deva made Bishnupur one of the principal centers of culture in Bengal. Most of the executive terracotta temples for which town is just famous were built during the period. Mrinmoy Temple of Kings is treated as a valuable historic place. Apart from the unique architecture of the period, Bishnupur is also famous for its terracotta craft and its own Baluchari sarees made of tushar silk. Royal patronage also gives rise to Bishnupur Gharana, Hindustani classical music in the late 18th century, and the Bishnupur School of Painting. Since 1997, the temples of Bishnupur is on UNESCO World Heritage Site Travelers List. The Kumbhakars means the artist where the terracotta arts are made in Pachmura, that is 39 km from Bishnupur. The name of the village is Pachmura. Bishnupur Kritibas Mukherjee High School, Bishnupur High School, Bishnupur Porimal Dev Girls High School, Kusumbani Jamunadas Khemka High School, Shoibodas Central Girls High School, all those are schools situated in Bishnupur. The Bishnupur Mela is held every year around the last week of December in Rajdarbar. Later on high score ground, a recent addition is Bishnupur Riya Utsav, held immediately after the Mela. It is a classical music and dance festival is in recognition of the Bishnupur Gharana in music, but the Bishnupur Utsav has been stopped due to some financial problems and other matters. Temples and other places. There are such temples which stand testimony to execute craftsmanship of the artisans of the region. The temples are crafted from the local laterite and brick. The temples are covered with terracotta tiles depicting scenes from the epic Mahabharata. The temples are located in Bishnupur and across many other small villages in the Bankura district. Rashmancho, Pachmura Ratna Temple of Shamrai, Jorbanglo, Madan Mohan Temple, Dolmadol Kaman, Lalgarh, Lalbagh, Acharya Jagadish Chandra Museum, Gulmarg, Pathar Darja, Garh Darja, Stone Chariot, Nutanda Mahal, Memorial of Srinivasana Acharya, Gaur Nitai Temple, Tejpal, Keshavrai Temple, Pathpur. A school of music called the Vishnupur Gharana was established here in 1317 AD. It is famous for its terracotta work, and it is the pride of our West Bengal, our Sonar Bangla. We are proud of our terracotta work. We encourage our tourists to go to Vishnupur and buy their products, their arts and crafts direct from the Kumbhakars or artists, in spite of the middleman, so that the artists can get the fair price, the fair share of profit. We believe in this. Thank you. Welcome to Vishnupur.